Respected teachers and my dear friends, firstly I say great morning to all of you.
Great morning.
My name is Anuj and today I am here for speech and my topic for speech is metals and non-metals. So firstly question arises that what are metals? Metals are those substances which lose their valence electron and become electropositive in nature. Example of metals are sodium, potassium, calcium. Non-metals. Non-metals are those substances which gain or accept their electron and become electronegative in nature. Example of non-metals are chlorine, hydrogen, carbon, metalloids. Metalloids are those substances which show the property of both metals as well as non-metals. Example of metalloids are germanium, cesium. Now I will tell you about the physical and the chemical properties of the metal. As you all know that there are physical and chemical properties have different metals and non-metals. Metals have different chemical properties from non-metals and physical properties also. Physical properties of metals are lustrous, means that metals have the shining surface. Metals are malleable. Metals have the ability to convert into the thin sheets. Metals are ductile, means that metals have the ability to convert into thin wires. Metals are the good conductors of heat and electricity, means that metals allow heat and electricity to pass through them easily. Metals are malleable. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Metals are sonorous, means that they produce sound when hit with an object. Now, physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals are non-malleable, non-ductile, but brittle in nature, means that they are converted into pieces when they are hammered. Non-metals are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metals have low boiling and melting point. Non-metals do not have shining surface and do not produce sound. Now, chemical properties of metals. How metals react with anything? When metal react with oxygen present in atmosphere, it will form its oxide. Metals plus oxygen give metal oxide. Example is carbon. Carbon plus oxygen give carbon oxide. Now, reaction of metal with acid. How metals react with acid? When metal react with acid, it will give its metallic salt and hydrogen gas. Reaction of metals with water. Reaction of metals. Metal react with water to form its hydroxide and gas. Now, reaction of metals with any other metal, reaction of metal with any other metal will show the displacement reaction. Chemical properties of the non-metals react with oxygen present in atmosphere and form its non-metallic oxide. How non-metal react with water? Non-metal do not react with water. Non-metals are all acidic in natures. Non-metals, how non-metals and non-metals react? Metals and non-metals reacts. We know that metals have the tendency to lose electron and non-metals have the tendency to gain electron. Now metal loses its electron and the non-metal accept that the needs form an ionic compound. Ionic compound, the compound formed by the sharing of electron from metals to any other non-metals is known as ionic compound. Properties of ionic compound. Properties of ionic compound are they are solid in nature. Some of them they are brittle in nature. Example of the ionic compound are NaCl. This is all about from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.